Hello viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. Unhealthy eating is the regular routine happen these days, coming from adults to children, kids, old age people, anyone. We have an article regarding Japanese eating. We have CA Hanmandloo with us to get some insight over this and some precautions to be taken to lead a happy life. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So what is it regarding health and eating habits of Japanese? We have seen many articles these days. Japanese are following best food habits,
Yes.
wellness routines.
Yes.
So what we can adopt as an Indians, what we can learn from them?
See, you can see in the whole world, Japan people are long. I think their life span is compared to other countries very high,
Yes.
longer period, and also healthy. Even at the age of 75, the people are able to work.
Yes.
That is their physical fitness. And how it is possible? Many because they have concentrated on health is more important aspect of life, because health is wealth.
Yes.
So protection of good health is important. So how can we maintain good health? Means that is depends upon the diet, lifestyle, and what we will call environment
Yes.
and health care. All this will make people healthy. So Japan has taken a call to protect the children right from infants,
Okay.
so that infant mortality should be reduced. A dietitian to mother also
Okay.
before becoming before delivery and before and all the precautions they have taken, and that is taught in schools and also
Okay.
as a discipline, and also food habits, great good habits has been taught in the schools as a syllabus.
Healthy eating as a
Healthy,
syllabus.
healthy habits, and that is followed in hospitals, and also dietary advice given lot of importance in the daily life. Instead of prevention is better than cure.
Yes.
So instead of getting attacked by disease, Japan felt that it is better to prevent the disease itself. What is happening is the young people are suffering from disorders, maybe blood pressure,
Obesity.
obesity,
Also. Yeah.
blood pressure, or some other even the sight problems and malnutritions,
Yes.
and all this why it is happening. So India can learn many things from Japan, because their lifestyle is high and also they are living healthy. The most important. At the age of 60 in India, many people will face the problem of chronic diseases,
Yeah.
maybe paralysis, Parkinson, Alzheimer's, anything. In addition to diabetic and blood pressure, all these are happening. So how to prevent this? So that is the most important for us, and even health not only affects the individual person who is suffering, it affects the family and financial also, and also the earning capacity.
Yes.
Earning capacity will reduce, and the person who is where he is working, its productivity also will come down. Suppose if a manager is sick, he cannot come to the office for some time, the production or efficiency of the people working under him also may be affected.
Yes.
So all these are taken into consideration. Japan is given a lot of importance for good health, right from infant to the aged. They are taking every step, and dietitian is advice the most important, and also making the students to learn about food habits, and also how to prevent diseases, precautions to be taken, nutrition, food. All these have been taught to the students as a subject for the knowledge.
What is this Shokiku Act of 2005 in Japan? It seems like they are following this act.
Japan has started taking healthcare importance from 1942 onwards. That is maternal and child health care program. Pregnant handbook provides women and new mothers information, and that also nutrition immunization also been given to them as a literature while they are pregnancy, while during pregnancy. And all this is being can be adopted by other countries also. For this purpose, India has established a National Commission for Allied Health Care Professionals Act 2021. This is mainly to protect protect the people from ill health and chronic diseases. And this is also helping to maintain the nutrition food and the risk of obesity and associated health issues also. Diabetes, hypertension, all these are taken care of with the good health lifestyle also. And nowadays, cancer is more dangerous.
Yes.
I think every 1 out of 5 is suffering from cancer. Maybe 1 out of 10, we can say 10%.
Yeah.
Suffering from many types of cancer. What is the reason for that? Adulterated food, or highly pesticide food, or highly fertilized, chemical fertilized used food, and that is causing a lot of damage to health, human health. This is not only cancer, not only restricted to aged people, that is also people suffering from, even young people also suffering from these things. So, for this purpose, the Japan has solved this problem of to protect from cancer. They established health wellness centers after World War II, in 1945 onwards. They have taken a lot of importance, and for this purpose, they have established dietary focus, cultural practices also, and government policies. Not only individual, it is of course maintenance of good health is a individual responsibility.
Yeah.
And society behavior also affects the individual diet and other things also.
Yes.
Even that also restricted, regulated by the government, Japan government, to get to provide healthy food to the people and lifestyle, and even cultural practice also for maintaining good health has been followed by Japan. And this because of this reason, Japan is having highest life expectations, and this is the lowest chronic disease in Japan. I told you lots of chronic diseases are maybe age-old diseases.
Yes.
All these the very less rate in Japan. There are 3 lessons we can learn from Japan. That is the dietitians.